Click on the link below to get price. The CORSAIR Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 RAM is a remarkable upgrade for any high-performance system, particularly for gamers and content creators who demand speed and reliability. With a capacity of 64GB, delivered in 232GB modules, this RAM kit is designed to handle even the most intensive tasks with ease. The 6400MHz speed, coupled with a CL32 latency, ensures that you experience unparalleled performance during gaming, video editing, and multitasking. One of the standout features of the Dominator Titanium RGB RAM is its stunning aesthetics. The sleek, polished aluminum heat spreaders not only look fantastic but also help dissipate heat effectively, ensuring optimal performance. The customizable RGB lighting is a visual treat, allowing users to sync their RAM with other components through Corsair's iCUE software. This means you can create breathtaking lighting effects that enhance your overall build, making your system stand out. Installation is straightforward thanks to the user-friendly design. The RAM modules fit snugly into most motherboards, and the XMP3.0 profiles make overclocking a breeze. Simply enabling the profile in the BIOS unlocks the full potential of the RAM, providing a significant boost in speed and efficiency with minimal effort. Performance-wise, the Dominator Titanium shines. Benchmark tests reveal that it excels in both synthetic and real-world applications, providing swift data transfer rates and reduced load times. Gaming at high settings becomes smoother with less stuttering, and tasks like rendering videos or running virtual machines are completed much faster compared to lower-speed RAM options. While the price point may be higher than standard DDR5 RAM, the investment is justified considering the performance, aesthetics, and build quality. The CORSAIR Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 RAM is an excellent choice for anyone looking to push their system to the next level, delivering both speed and style in one impressive package.